What are we looking at in terms of the rest of this Thursday?
Yeah, looking at some scattered showers this morning, John. Those showers are going to transition into some thunderstorms as we move into the afternoon hours. But we are also watching a line of thunderstorms just to our west. And those have been producing some severe thunderstorm warnings. I'll take a look here, and you can see this one particular warning. We'll zoom in on it. Okay, this one expired at 6 a.m. This one expires at 6:30 a.m. So you've got one, but it's to the north. You can see it up around Cookeville, and it's moving to the northeast. On the southern end of that, approaching Altamont, you can see some pretty decent coverage of storms moving in. And it's nothing severe, though. It's mainly just heavy rain and some flashes of lightning. These storms have been weakening as they've been moving eastward. So we're keeping an eye on it. But right now, if you live in Altamont, Monteagle, you're probably going to see within the next 30 minutes some decent rainfall and maybe some flashes of lightning, and that should be just about it. So quick look at our weather headlines. Mainly morning showers with the storms relegated to this afternoon. Warm and humid on Friday, and it's going to stay warm and humid through the weekend. The severe weather risk is low, but it's there. It's a Category 1 on a scale from 1 to 5. The biggest threat will be damaging winds as well as small hail, and notice those risks are 5%. So again, the risk is low, but some of the stronger storms could produce 60-mile-per-hour winds and maybe some small hail here and there. 68 degrees Chattanooga, 67 Cleveland, 68 in Dalton. And a quick look at our satellite and radar showing that trough of low pressure bringing up all of that moisture and instability, and the result, scattered showers. And right along that trough, you can see where we have that line of stronger storms developing with the severe thunderstorms to our northwest. Those severe thunderstorms producing heavy rain, and there is indication on radar they may be producing some small hail as well. We'll future scan out 1 hour into the future, and you're going to see approaching the Monteagle area, I do think we'll see some of that rain drifting into Monteagle and on the plateau, but again, it's mainly going to be rain as that system is weakening. Focusing on this afternoon, that's when we'll have, after literally noon, we'll have a chance of some stronger thunderstorms firing up. And notice how between noon and about 1:30, we really see the activity flaring up as we warm into the low 80s. We'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms fairly widespread across the area. That's going to last until about 5 or 6 o'clock, and then after 6 o'clock, things begin to wind down, and your Thursday night into Friday should be dry but humid. We'll hit the low to mid 80s. We'll call it 85 degrees for your high on Friday. Saturday, we'll get into the upper 80s as high pressure builds in. It's going to be warm and muggy over the weekend with highs in the upper 80s both Saturday and Sunday. High humidity, no rain, not until next week, but it will just be kind of warm and summer-like for the weekend. Rainfall today, hit and miss thunderstorms will produce feast and famine type rainfall, 3/4 of an inch to more than an inch of rain, where we see some of those thunderstorms hitting. Where they miss, we may get about 1/10 of an inch of rain, and that should be about it. So spotty morning showers followed by thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s and low 80s, a little bit cooler on the plateau, 73 Altamont. And then tonight, mostly cloudy and a bit humid as we drop down to 64 degrees in Chattanooga, 62 in Cleveland, and 57 in Altamont. Storm alert weather day today, and then tomorrow through the weekend, just muggy, and we'll see that mugginess even increasing next week. But notice the temperatures in the afternoon a little bit lower. We'll have warmer mornings in the right around 70 degrees. Afternoons will be a little bit cooler, and we'll also have a decent chance of showers and storms each afternoon, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So be weather aware for this afternoon with storms developing this morning. Be aware of some wet roads that you'll need to navigate, Caroline.